Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a beginner afrobeat in just 10 minutes. If you're interested in my most recent African sample pack, make sure to check out the link in the description. I really recommend this one. In this tutorial I'm going to cover the following topics. So creating a really simple chord progression in just a scale, so I will show you how you can do that. Afterwards add some more melodies, so create some more diversity. Afterwards adding some drums, and I will make a really simple arrangement and just give a really simple explanation. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So in this tutorial my melody will be in A minor and I'm going to set the tempo to 100. So I'm going to implement the scale and just use them as ghost notes. So this is the A minor scale. And just put them in a sampler or an empty audio clip. And I'm going to start by just simply adding a kalimba. So I'm using this kalimba from Expand 2. And maybe just expand the ghost notes could really help you. So like this. And right now I'm going to build a melody. So maybe B, E. And maybe just pick one octave lower. And just copy this one and turn it one note up. So right now I don't really like the progression, but I think I'm going to turn this one up because I think an A goes really well together with this F. Sounds way much better. And I'm going to add this guitar from Ample Sound and just add a simple melody. And because our root note is B, I will just start with a B. Just really simple. And I'm going to add another ample guitar. So I'm just copying this one and I'm going to use some 1/3 notes. So select this one and select 1/3 step. And for example, I'm going to choose a G. And just copy it again. Maybe make the notes a little bit shorter. And we're going to randomize this progression. So select Alt R. So randomizer. And just randomize the velocity. And I'm going to add another guitar from Expand 2, this nylon guitar. And I'm just going to copy the progression from my kalimba and paste it into my guitar. Progression. And I think I'm going to just use 3 notes, so just a basic chord. Copy this one. And I think I'm going to make this note a little bit shorter. Maybe just use this chord right here, because we're still working in the same chord progression. But I want to make some adjustments on this part. So maybe just not copy the rhythm. I think something like this. And right now I'm going to randomize this melody. So I've made some adjustments and right now it sounds like this. And I'm going to make some adjustments to these chords. So I think something like this. And right now I'm just going to add some drums really quick. So I'm using my most recent sample pack. So this one. And I'm just creating a really simple rhythm. And I'm just going to add a really basic snare. Just this really simple drum shot. And also create the most basic rhythm. already sounds awesome. And I think right now I'm going to add a bass line. So I found this really crazy bass sound. But I think I'm going to just use it, just try around. And just copy this one. But I'm going to cut off the high frequencies. So just link them to a random insert. And just use a low pass because we want to cut off the high frequencies. Just sounds like a growling bass, but I'm going to cut off some of the low frequencies, high pass. So I'm doing some quick mixing right here. And I'm going to add a bass line. So I'm using 3 USC. And you can just create a really simple but awesome bass line. Just turn this one down to 0 octaves. And just play around with this one. And right now you can create a really simple sine bass. I'm going to create an envelope like this. Just a little bit of a release. And just a tiny attack. So this will cut off the clicks at the end of the signal. And just copy this melody into this one. And also link it to the mixer. So for example 15. So I think this already sounds really awesome, but still it's really simple. So right now you could copy your elements to a new and just separate all the layers. And we could also add a shaker loop. So really like this one. And I'm also going to add some swing to all the elements. So you can do this in your channel rack right here and just add around 25% of swing. So right now we're going to create a really simple arrangement. So this was just a beginner tutorial, so I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to download this free FOP, the link will be in the description. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.